Today I am reviewing the MSI Codex Z2 gaming desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The MSI Codex Z2 gaming desktop is a powerhouse machine that takes gaming and high-performance computing to an entirely new level, designed for serious gamers, content creators, and tech enthusiasts who demand both speed and reliability. At the heart of this system is the AMD Ryzen 7-8700F processor, which delivers outstanding multi-core performance, making it capable of handling the latest AAA games, streaming, and demanding productivity tasks without breaking sweat. When paired with 32GB of DDR5 RAM, this desktop ensures seamless multitasking, allowing you to run multiple programs, virtual machines, or content creation software simultaneously without any noticeable slowdowns. Storage is no issue either, thanks to the massive 2TB M.2 NVMe SSD, which provides lightning-fast boot times, near-instant application launches, and enough space to store your games, media files, and professional projects. The combination of a high-end processor, ultra-fast memory, and expansive SSD storage makes the Codex Z2 not just a gaming machine, but also a robust workstation for creative and professional use. For graphics, the MSI Codex Z2 comes equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 GPU, a cutting-edge graphics card capable of rendering stunning visuals with real-time ray tracing, DLSS-enhanced performance, and ultra-smooth frame rates for the most graphically demanding games. This makes it perfect for immersive AAA gaming, VR experiences, and even professional video editing or 3D rendering. Whether you're exploring expansive, open-world titles or engaging in competitive esports games, the RTX 5070 ensures that every detail is crisp, vibrant, and fluid, enhancing your gaming experience in ways that standard GPUs simply cannot match. The cooling system on the MSI Codex Z2 is designed to keep your components running optimally, even during marathon gaming sessions. Featuring an ARGB fan air cooler and 4 system cooling fans, 3 in the front and 1 at the rear, the desktop efficiently pulls in cool air while expelling heat, maintaining stable performance and preventing throttling. This system not only ensures smooth gameplay, but also extends the lifespan of critical components by keeping temperatures within safe ranges. Additionally, the desktop is VR ready, opening the door to immersive virtual reality experiences without lag or performance issues, so gamers can enjoy cutting-edge technology in their own homes. MSI has also focused on the aesthetics and user experience of the Codex Z2. The system comes with customizable RGB lighting, allowing users to create personalized lighting setups that match their gaming rigs or room ambience. With the MSI LED button, you can cycle through lighting options quickly, and further customization is available via MSI Center software, enabling full control over lighting effects, fan speeds, and system monitoring. This combination of style and functionality ensures that your gaming setup not only performs exceptionally well, but also looks visually impressive. Connectivity and expandability are also highlights of the Codex Z2. Featuring USB Type-C ports, multiple USB 3.2 connections, HDMI, and DisplayPort outputs, the desktop is ready to handle external displays, peripherals, and high-speed data transfer effortlessly. Whether you want to add extra monitors for gaming or productivity, connect VR equipment, or integrate professional audio and video devices, the MSI Codex Z2 offers the flexibility to expand and adapt to your needs. Running Windows 11 Home, the desktop provides a modern interface with advanced features for everyday computing, gaming, and entertainment. For business use, MSI recommends Windows 11 Pro, ensuring compatibility with enterprise-level tools and management features. In conclusion, the MSI Codex Z2 gaming desktop is an exceptional combination of raw power, intelligent design, and advanced graphics capabilities. It's perfect for gamers who demand high FPS and immersive visuals, content creators who require fast rendering and multitasking performance, and professionals seeking a reliable desktop that can handle demanding workloads. With its Ryzen 7-8700F processor, RTX 5070 GPU, massive DDR5 memory, blazing fast NVMe SSD, VR readiness, and fully customizable RGB lighting, the Codex Z2 delivers a complete high-performance experience. For anyone looking to invest in a desktop that balances style, performance, and future-proof technology, the MSI Codex Z2 stands out as a top-tier choice that is capable of meeting all gaming and productivity demands with ease.